Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. I appreciate all your support, and if you're watching my video for the first time, you are highly welcome and you consider subscribing on your way out. Okay guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I prepare my moi, so stay tuned. Let's dive into the video. Okay, I'm gonna be using the black eye beans. Okay, right now watch closely. I'll be showing you the easiest way I washed my beans always that I want to make moi or akara. Just put it in your blender, put it in your lowest blending. Don't put it in a high, because if you put it in a high, it's gonna blend all your beans. So just blend it in a lowest so that the back will just remove. So as you can see how it is, I'll go ahead and put more water on it. Then I'm gonna wash out the bags properly. So I'll be washing it one more time to make it clean properly. So now the beans is thoroughly clean. So I will go ahead and prep the pepper, onion, and blend everything together with the crayfish. So I've sliced the pepper and the onions. You know, I have eggs. I have the tuna that I'll be putting on it. So I have my scotch bonnet pepper, and I've already washed the crayfish, so I'll go ahead and blend them. So I'm done blending all the beans, so I'll go ahead and use the mixer to make it smooth, to make it sort of fluffy. So right now I will be adding all the ingredients. This is my curry powder, so this is my seasoning, this is salt, So I'll be putting vegetable oil. So right now I'll be putting the onions, diced onions. I'm gonna give it a nice stir. So I'll be putting the tuna fish. So lastly, I'll be adding ginger powder. So I'm gonna go ahead to prep the foil that I'll be using to put the moi moi. Okay, right now I'll be scooping the mai mai inside a foil. I'll be putting the egg. So after everything, I'm gonna cook it for about 40 to 45 minutes. Voila! The moi moi is ready. So I'll go ahead and open one and see how it is. Okay, this moi moi is so sweet, so yummy. I made moi moi like months ago, but I used flour to make it, the beans flour. So I didn't like how it is, but this one is so yummy, so fluffy, so smooth. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.